Hey guys, Sunny here from the Master Trader, and just doing a quick live trading recording. I had taken a position around these levels. I shorted this Nifty call option, okay, near these, where is it? Around 75, right here. Okay, and I wasn't too sure about this trade. Okay, I was a bit confused today because well, markets weren't giving a clear signal, right? Data was also not too clear, okay, but I simply followed some technicals, and I took a shot. Okay, I kept a small stop loss, and I just kept trailing my position. I put it at cost. Eventually, when I was here, I trailed it to cost, and you know, this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and book my profits now. As you can see, these are the gains I'm getting for today. Not bad, okay, not bad. I was not expecting this at all, but let's see. I'm gonna go book my profits. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. You know, I'm just keeping this video very short, and I'm just doing this recording because sometimes, you know, you guys think that, oh, today you didn't upload a video means I made a loss, or you know, but generally if I don't upload a video, guys, it's generally the days I don't trade. Okay, and there are some reasons why I don't trade. Okay, maybe sometimes I'm not in the right mindset, or maybe I just don't feel like. Okay, there are those days, right? Every trader has them. So that's it. Don't think that, you know, just because he's only uploading his profitable trades, it's not like that, right? I will also upload my losing trades whenever they happen. Okay, now generally those days are not so frequent. If I'm trading 20 days in a month, maybe 3 or 4 days, I might have losing trades, right? And those of you who have taken my course, you know why, right? Because I'm very specific, very particular in taking my trades. I wait for the best opportunity. That's why you see me taking only 1 or 2 trades max in a day, because you know, that's I don't look to take those kind of risks. Okay. I'm very specific in my trading, and only when my strategy hints to me that you should, you know, enter now, I do that, right? So all of this is explained in my course. Whoever has taken it, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna go, you know, maybe book my profits now, and that's it. I'm done, right? It's 12 p.m. right now, and I'm done for the day. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Any comments you want me to make any videos on any topic, you let me know. Put it down in the description. If you want to join my WhatsApp, Telegram group, please do so. It's there in the description. And so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next videos.